So again, the first step is finding and identifying a trend. And in this chart, we can actually see that price initially created higher highs and higher lows, indicating that the market is initially on an uptrend. However, we noticed that a change of character has happened, as price went down, breaking below the previous lows, forming lower lows. This shows us that the market is now on a downtrend, meaning we're looking to take sell positions only. Now, once we've identified the trend, the next step is analyzing the chart by drawing the key levels. And here, we can actually spot a couple of supply and demand levels, which shows that there is high liquidity at those areas, which caused the price to move significantly. Now, let's see what happens to the price. So, we can see here that price approaches this first supply level. However, it doesn't mean that it will automatically retest this level. We need further confirmation. And in this case, price actually ignored this level and simply break right through. Now, had you taken a sell position here without any confirmation, you would have ended up losing. That's why extra confirmation is important before taking a trade. Next, we have price hitting another supply level up here. But this time, we can actually spot a bearish pin bar pattern right here as price approached the level, which is characterized by a candle having a small body and a long wick towards the upside, which signals downward rejection. And so, because a bearish confirmation signal appeared as price touches the level, we can now take a short position right here. For our stop loss, we can place it just slightly above the supply area and place our profit target at the nearest demand level. And as you can see, this trade ended up being profitable. Now keep in mind, all the trades that I showed you are just examples where the trade succeeded. If you implement this strategy in a real chart, you will suffer some losses, because no strategy is 100% accurate. That's why risk management and placing a proper stop loss is very important.